Let me share something truly exciting with you. Meet Property Genius Chatbot, a smart AI-powered assistant developed by Octal IT Solution, designed specifically for the global real estate industry. Imagine this. A user visits your platform and says, "I'm looking for a 2-bedroom apartment." Boom, the chatbot understands the query instantly. Then they mention their budget, say $4 million. Property Genius filters out only the most relevant listings in real time, with zero human intervention. Need specific features like attached bathrooms, private parking, or pet-friendly options? No problem. Property Genius instantly refines the results based on the user's preferences. Looking to explore multiple areas? Switching between neighborhoods or regions is seamless. The chatbot fetches up-to-date listings for each selected area instantly. Then the user changes their requirement. Now it's a 3-bedroom home and a higher budget. Our chatbot adapts instantly and delivers accurate, high-quality results. But this isn't just a chatbot. It's a 24/7 intelligent real estate assistant for your business. Whether you're building a mobile app, web platform, or integrating with your CRM, the Property Genius chatbot is fully customizable and easy to integrate. Developed by Octal IT Solution, we bring AI to real estate, transforming casual interest into serious leads and turning browsers into buyers. Ready to elevate your real estate experience? Let's build something brilliant together.